Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see there is a rib here and other features. This is the drawing. We start by creating this arc of 122 ending on this line at a distance of 120 minus 87. This part is number 34 in my collection of 100 mechanical parts. New empty document. Take a look of this workbench and select CAD, not Blender, because we create mechanical parts. New XZ plane, circle, diameter of 122, then a horizontal line between these two points of the arc, then a dimension of 120 minus 87. Trim to cut this arc and construction for this line. Close. You see we have an arc in the air. Now we see this section, a slot with dimensions 10 and 5, radius 5. We select this arc, then keep pressed the Control key from the keyboard and select this point, then datum plane, and now normal to edge option. Okay, you see we have here a support for the new sketch. We select the plane, we select new sketch, and now we cannot apply projection or something because of the datum plane. We hide the datum plane and now we can project this arc. You see this line. Okay, now we use slot from this point to somewhere on the same line with a radius 5. Dimensions, this is 10 and radius 5. Now we apply symmetry this point, and this axis, then close, and we have an arc and a closed contour. We select this last sketch, then the tool additive pipe, add edge, and this. Okay, now we create this cylinder. You see the diameter of 32, length of 44, and this is placed at 86 from the center point. This is the center point of this part. We select the XY plane, datum plane on that face, then Z direction of minus 87. This is the support of a new sketch. We hide everything above this plane. We draw a circle with a diameter of 32, close and extrude 44 reversed. Okay. No more datum plane. Next is this hole with this feature 2, 6, 24, 28. New sketch in this plane. View section, and we project these two end lines. Then polyline, starting from here, going up to the right, vertical, right, down, left, down and back. We place this line coincident with this point and dimensions. This is 2 millimeters. This is 6 millimeters. This is 24 divided by 2, and this is 28 divided by 2. Close, revolve with groove, and you see this axis is by default. Okay, we see the result, and we go further to create these features. I mean these features with radius 12 spherical and thickness of 14 and a hole of 9. We select this face for a new sketch. Then we use polyline to draw some lines. Then an arc in 3 points. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. This center is coincident with this center. Equal are these two sides, and radius 12 and distance of 14. Close, revolve. The axis is to be found. This is the axis. Okay. This face for a new sketch. Project this circle. We place here a circle with diameter of 9. Close and pocket through all. Okay, you see here the result. Now we select this feature, press the Control key and select also this feature, then apply mirror about the plane YZ. YZ is here. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.